God is good, a good Father. He died for you so you can live forever. He died for you, a selfless sacrifice, that through His grace we might find paradise. A love so deep, a bond that will not break. For all our sin, our souls He chose to take. In His great mercy we are washed anew, and in His presence all our dreams come true. He is the way, the truth, the life we seek, a gentle shepherd to the humble and the meek. You so you can live forever. In His great mercy we are washed anew, and God is good, a good Father. He died for you so you can live forever. In His great mercy we are washed anew. He died for you so you can live forever. He died for you so you can live